Hi, today we're going to have an introduction to volume. Let's get started. So volume is how much space an object takes up. This is 3D, so it's usually measured in cubic centimeters or cubic inches, or this is how it's denoted. Okay, let's get started. So in a rectangular prism, if this is the length, this is the width, and this is the height, the volume is length times width times height. So this is very similar to our area formula. We're just adding an extra dimension, right? Okay, great. Now let's look at any prism for the matter. So in the past we were looking at a rectangular prism, but for any prism, if we know that this is the base area, so B is the base area, then we just multiply it by height. Now base area is denoted by big B, so this is equal to base area. So this is actually a 2D. Okay? Great. A pyramid would be base area times height, but because it's a pyramid, not a prism, we multiply it by 1/3 or divide it by 3. So it's big B H over 3. A cylinder is like a prism. It's big base times height. But what's a big base? Or it should just be base area. It's 2 pi, no, not 2 pi r. That's circumference. It's pi r squared times h. Okay? For a cone, it's just the same as the cylinder. Pi r squared h, but this time we divide by 3. So the cone is kind of like a hybrid between the cylinder and the pyramid. Okay? The spheres, there's really no way to remember. You just have to memorize this. It's 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Okay? So now let's look at some examples. Let's try to find the volume of this. So the volume of this is length times width times height. In this case, it's equal to 5 times 4 times 3. And this is equal to 60 units or cubic units. Okay? Now here we have a sphere. Let's look at the volume. The volume is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cubed. This is equal to 4 over 3 pi 10 cubed. So this is equal to 4,000 over 3 pi cubic units. Okay, now let's look at our last example, which is a pyramid. So we have, the base is a square. Okay, so we need to find the base area. The base area is equal to 5 squared, which is equal to 25. And now we know that the volume is equal to 1/3 base area times height. So this is equal to 1/3 times 25 times 10. So this is equal to 250 divided by 3 cubic units. Okay, so I hope that helped, and I hope to see you soon.